In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Discord server. If you'd like to create a copy of your Discord server, the easiest way to do it is by using Discord's server template feature. A server template copies your server's structure, including categories, channels, roles, and many of the server settings, making it much faster to create a new server with the same layout. Keep in mind that templates do not copy your messages, members, or other activity from the original server. To begin, open Discord and sign into your account if you haven't already. Next, navigate to the server that you want to copy. Once you're inside the server, click the server name in the upper left corner to open the server menu. From the menu, select Server Settings. This will open the settings page where you can manage different aspects of your server. In the menu on the left, scroll until you find the Server Template section, then click on it to continue. You'll now see the option to create a server template. Start by entering a name for your template. Choose a name that makes it easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple templates. You can also enter a description if you'd like to explain the template's purpose, although this step is optional. After filling in the information, select Generate Template. Discord will create a template based on your current server. This includes the channel structure, categories, roles, permissions, and many of your server's settings. But it won't include existing members, conversations, or message history. Once the template has been created, you can scroll down and select Preview Template. This allows you to review what will be included before creating a new server. It's a helpful way to confirm that your channels and roles are organized the way you want. If everything looks correct, close the preview and select Copy to copy the template link. You can then open that link in your browser or paste it into Discord whenever you're ready to use it. After opening the template, select Create to generate a brand new Discord server based on the template. Once the new server has been created, you'll notice that it contains the same categories, channels, roles, and overall structure as the original server. Although the layout is identical, the new server starts fresh without any members or previous messages, allowing you to build a separate community using the same setup. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel.